Welcome to part 2 of Armory to a Knife. So, because of our last episode, we gathered 200 stars, now 5 armory passes, because we got in big profit because of Glock. Now we have 200 stars to spend. We will do a little bit of stickers, then charms and a lot of collections. Not a lot, but a good number. Let's start. Come on, first one. Give me... Okay, purple. Let's do one more. Okay, now music. No pink today? Okay, pink. One pink, at least one. And the last sticker. Today is not the day for stickers, so we'll move on. Okay. Now let's do a little bit of small arms charms. We didn't get anything last time, so we are hoping something good today. Come on, give me pink. What's happening? What's happening? Come on, give me something else. Can we get something today, please? Anything. Last charm. Give me something. Of course not. Let's move on to collections. Okay, let's start with train. You need to give me something. We got nothing today. Okay. Pink. It's in pretty bad shape. Let's check it. Yeah, of course. Come on, last train collection. Pink. Nope. We want M4A1 as fade. We got Glock. We'll be happy with Galil, but we want this. Let's go. Come on, come on. At least purple. Purple, then pink, then red. Come on. Why am I getting the same items? Why am I getting the same guns? Come on. Let's do one more, then we go back to train. Give me red. Save the video. Purple. Okay, maybe good, maybe no. Give me red. We need to save the video. Please. Last 4 stars from 200. Save me. Nope. Okay, so I will do the maths, and I will see you later with the results. I don't think that this was a good opening, but we will see. We are probably on a big loss. Today is a sad day. We started with inventory value of 74.96 euros. We bought 5 armories, that's 69.95 euros. That means that 5.01 euros is on the side. We did not spend them. We pulled 58.32 euros. That means that we are in minus 11.63 euros. Plus that 5 euros that we put aside. That means minus 6.62 euros. So a good day, because all in all we are in profit. I hope for more profit in the next episode. Time for giveaway. But before I spin the wheel, I just want to tell you that if you do not see yourself in this wheel, that means that you didn't listen to me how to join the giveaway. You did something wrong. You wrote a skin name instead of weapon. You didn't write your Discord name or something like that. So don't be mad because you didn't listen. Let's spin the wheel and let's see who won the giveaway. First one is the winner. Let's go. Come on. A lot of people. Let's Pegla. I know that guy. GG, my man. You won the skin. AK. Good job.